Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Power the camera and enable its Wi-Fi or Bluetooth so the phone can find it. Open the Camera Connect app and accept the requested permissions. This allows pairing and file transfer. Then, select the camera model inside the app. This ensures the app uses the correct protocol. Once done, tap the connection button in the app and watch for the camera's network name. Make sure battery and permissions are correct so pairing completes without dropping mid-transfer. Once paired, you'll fine-tune how the connection behaves. Choose Live View to frame shots remotely, or pick File Transfer to browse and download images. Each mode uses different bandwidth and latency, so pick what you need. If the app asks for a password, copy it exactly from the camera display to avoid errors. Then open App Settings to set image resolution, compression level, and target folder on your phone. That controls file size and storage speed, which matters when moving. You're almost done. Take a test shot and confirm the image appears on your phone and saves to the chosen folder. If transfers are slow or disconnecting, switch phone to airplane mode but keep Wi-Fi active to reduce interference, or move closer to the camera. If the app won't connect, restart the app, turn camera Wi-Fi off and on, and re-enter the network password. Doing that clears cached handshake data and usually fixes pairing problems quickly. Keep one troubleshooting tip handy. Restart both devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.